In this video, I'll show you how to do a long description for a process using Boomi AI. This process is just a simple JSON and multi-part data process. I'll be using it as an example. To get to Boomi AI, you go up to the top right and you click the AI symbol. And when you click that, it'll open up this page. And what we want to do is we want to click Add Link. And this Add Link is just looking for the process URL. When you copy the process URL, make sure it's only the one process you want it to link. Then you go back here and you click paste and add, and it will add the process to the prompt. And then once you get to the prompt, you can do you can tell it to create long description for, like this. And it go, and it'll make a long description for the process you told it to do. It'll just take a few seconds to do that. And as you can see, it's kind of like a summary, but it goes through each shape and tells you what that shape does, which can be useful for documenting or explaining to people what's happening at each step of the process. Now, if the alternative way to do that is you can do, what does use a hashtag symbol and type in the process name, and it'll list out the processes in your environment. And so if I want to do the same process, I'll just click that one, and it'll do the exact same thing as adding the plus icon.